Good day everyone! Welcome ulit sa ating Team Pinikpikan King channel at Kwentuhang OFW ulit tayo. I didn't really have plans of doing a video today, pero this morning I went out for my walk and I found this one dime. It's a 1968 coin from the US. Anyway, Kwentuhang OFW ulit tayo. May mga, as an OFW, may mga times in our lives wherein may mga bagay-bagay tayong makikita and it reminds us back home. And then, it hits us that we suddenly miss home. Yan ang nangyari sa akin while I was on my walk this morning. So, habang naglalakad ako, nakita ko ito. Akala ko it's a Thai coin. Akala ko coin ng Thailand. Pero basta kinuha ko na lang, pinulot ko, I didn't have a close look at it. And then, nung umuwi ako, pinunasan ko, nung makita ko, it's a 1968 US coin, one dime. And it brings back memories when we were kids. Sabihin nyo na siguro vintage na kung vintage, but my childhood I was part of the childhood wherein ang 5 centavos could buy a lot of candies from the store. So, maalala ko, naglalaro kami, we were around 9 or 10 kids that time, and then nakapulot ako ng 5 cents, 5. And so, alam mo na yung mga bata, parang it's a big deal. And then, we decided na pumunta kami ng store. Yung sa amin noon, there were not a lot of houses. So, it's somewhere in Baguio, suburbs of Baguio. It's actually Benguet. And you have to climb up the mountains doon sa isa-isang store doon, which is around 2 kilometers paakyat. So, lahat kami pumunta sa store na yon. Excited kami na bumili ng candy from that 5 centavos na nahanapan ko. So, daming kwentuhan, para kaming excited lahat, going up the mountains. And then, nung nasa store na kami, we figured out na ang pwedeng bilhin ng 5 is yung 5 pieces na Texas na bubble gum. So, kung inabutan nyo yun, kung alam nyo yung ibig ko, what I'm referring to, 5 centavos or 5 is 5 pieces na maliliit na square na bubble gum. Magkaedad tayo. So, anyway, so bumili kami, binigay yung 5, binigay yung 5 bubble gum, 5 pieces na Texas na bubble gum. Of course, hindi kasya yun. So, ang alam ko is, ang liit-liit na nga pinaghahati pa namin. It's supposed to be enough. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Siguro, merong isa na buo yung kinuha. Baka that was me because I was the finder of the coin. So, it ended up na may isang bata na walang bubble gum. So, imagine mo yung excitement niya na sumama. Imagine mo yung pagod niya na naglakad ng 2 kilometers. In the end, wala siyang bubble gum. So, para siyang yung doon sa nursery rhyme na this little pig had none, this little pig cried, we, I cannot find my way home. Para siyang gano'n na nawala siya ng bubble gum, umiyak hanggang sa umuwi kami. Hindi ko alam kung, you know kids, they fight, may tampuhan, iyak after 10 minutes, paglalaro ulit. That was how we were when we were kids. But, bakit ko kinakento nga pala? Yeah, because of this coin that I found. Sabi ko nga, sa buhay natin na OFW, once in a while, we see things na which reminds us of back home, and suddenly we're feeling this homesickness, nostalgia hits us, and lalo na ngayon, yung mga hindi makaka-uwi ng Christmas dyan, I'm sure ang level ng homesickness natin is really high. So, nevertheless, yan ang ating kwentuhan OFW ulit, and Merry Christmas sa ating lahat hanggang sa susunod na kwentuhang OFW. Have a nice day everyone. Bye!